This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a PDF to a PNG using the free PDFgear software. Let me jump over to PDFgear. I have the PDFgear software opened up now. To convert a PDF to a PNG or a JPEG, it's very easy to do. First thing I'm going to do is go up to the tabs up top here, and I'm going to click on Convert from PDF, because we will be converting a PDF to an image. Convert from PDF. Then the boxes below, it gives you a bunch of different options. This one right here is PDF to PNG. The next one over is PDF to JPEG. I'm going to choose PDF to PNG. Another little dialog box opens up asking you to select your the PDF that you want to convert. I'm going to click on the add file. Now I'm going to search for my PDF. I'm just going to choose this one here. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on open. Then the next thing you might want to do, your output path. You might want to check what your output path is here. Click on this three-dot hamburger menu right to the side here, and you can select your output path where you want the image to be placed. I'm going to hit cancel because I'm going to leave mine where it's at. Then I'm going to go off to the right here, and I'm going to click on convert. Takes it just a second. Now that folder that I placed the image in automatically opens, and it has placed the image inside of a folder. I'm going to double click on the folder. There is my image right there. It is a PNG image. That is how to convert a PDF to a PNG using the PDFgear software. Thanks for watching.